So after activating the two-step verification through a pin and uploading the SSL certificate in SAP system, next we can start the development activity. And as we know, like for consuming the API, there are some dynamic values like this version, phone number ID, and the authorization token, either temporary or permanent. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 for every API, we need to pass those three parameter or variable we can say. So first what we'll do, we'll maintain those variable in the SAP system. So instead of hard coding those values, we can either create a table maintenance or we can maintain in the tvar VC table that is used for the variant variables. So we'll maintain in a tvar VC table, go to SE16. This is a table tvar VC. So instead of creating a table maintenance or the hard coding the value, we can make use of this table to store dynamic values. Just enter, execute, and here click on this icon. So first I will create a variable for the version WABA WhatsApp business account version. Here you can give anything here. Okay, I just want to maintain here value in low. So in low, first I'll maintain this version. Okay, so this is the first value WABA underscore value. You can give any name. Okay, save. Now the second variable I'll create for the phone number ID. This is the phone number ID. If you're not using Postman, then log into developers.facebook.com/apps. From there, you will get the phone number ID and all this thing. Again, I'm going back to the same table tvar VC, and this time I'm giving the name as WABA underscore phone ID. And in the low, I'm maintaining this value. Okay, database record is stored. And now I want to store the temporary token or the permanent token, whatever you want that you can store. So let me copy the token value from my text file. So I copy the value from my text file for a token, and now I will create a new variable WABA underscore token, and I will just paste the value of my token ID here. This will be different for every user. Okay, so three main variables we have created here. Let me check WABA star. Now we can see the version, token, and the phone ID. Okay, so our variables are ready now. Now what we'll do, first we'll create a global class, and through that class we'll do all the testing. Okay, you can also go for the function module, but this time I will prefer class. So for the class, I will go to SC24. So we can maintain all our variables, all the different methods like template message, text message, document message, everything under one class is in different method. So go to SC24, give any name here. Okay, so let's say Z WhatsApp API. Okay, Z WhatsApp underscore API. Okay, click on create class. Give any description here. Let's say WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, remaining all keep as it is. Click on save. You can save in any tr. Okay, so the first method, what we'll do, we'll just create one method to get the variables which we have already stored here. Okay, so I'll give the method name as get underscore var. Okay, so I'm not going for any instance of private method. Everything I'm creating as a static method and a public. Based on your requirement, your expertise, you can choose the like instant method and the visibility. So I'm creating very simple plain class. Okay, so my first method is activate a class get underscore var. So I just want the variable values to read first. So here under this method, this is the get underscore var. I click on parameters. So I just want to read the values of all the three variables which we have maintained. Okay, all the three variables which we have maintained: version, token, and phone ID. So here all will be like exporting parameter like ep underscore version, ep underscore phone ID, and ep underscore token. Okay, and all will be exporting. Okay, all will be exporting, not the importing. So all three here I'm taking as exporting variables. Okay, for the version we can use char 6, it is 5, just take one extra. For the phone ID, take char, I don't know exact length, but we can go with char 50. And for the token, take a string. Okay, char 6, char 50, and a string. Save, again activate. Okay, no error. Then go to source code. Under source code section, now like select single. What I want to know, I want to select low. Why? Because here in the low column, we have maintained our value. Okay, in the low column we have maintained our value. So select single low from t where vc into my first is ep underscore version, where my name equals to waba underscore var. Okay, so this will give me the first value in the exporting parameter. What is the version of my API? Second, I'm going to fetch the token. So here I will write like token. In which field I want token here? So ep underscore token. This is my exporting field. And second is the phone ID. Second is the phone ID. We'll select. We'll go for the phone ID first. Okay, we'll go say in sequence proper. So second is my phone ID here. This is the phone ID. And third, again for the same table, we'll select token, where name equal to token. Save, check, activate, no error. So system should return all the three values. Go on the main screen, activate a class. Click on execute button or test environment. Here, get variable, just execute. Here you can see the output, the version, phone number ID, and the token. Okay, so our first method is ready. So this dynamic value which we need to pass, it is ready now. So next steps like consuming our first API, that is a template based API, template based message. Okay, for that we have to consume this API by passing all the variables and its body. So that we'll learn in the next session. Thank you.